In this lesson, our focus will be the structure of the cash flow sheet. We will start from EBITDA. And then we will have interest expenses and taxes. All three of these items have been calculated in the P&L sheet. Afterwards, we should consider the investments in the three working capital elements we saw before: trade receivables, inventory, and trade payables. Next to it, we will consider the investments in other assets and other liabilities necessary for the growth of the business. Remember, each of these items was modeled earlier and waits for us in the output balance sheet. Next, we will consider capital expenditures, investments in PP&E. Once we've arrived here, we'll be able to calculate operating cash flow. Below operating cash flow, we'll have several non-operating items: dividends, change in financial liabilities, change in provisions, and change in equity. Once we've added these items, we'll arrive at net cash flow. Great! So this is the structure of the cash flow. Let's stop for a second and format this sheet professionally. You can try to do this on your own, so I'll pause for a second. Please stop here and try to format this sheet on your own, okay? Here we go. The cash flow statement has been formatted professionally. Did you do this on your own? If you did, that's excellent. In the next lesson, we'll calculate the firm's actual cash flow. Stay tuned.